Hey everybody, it's Nate again, here with Fresh Coast Alliance, and we're doing this video series to help you expunge your record. I'm a product of this process. I've done it. I had 3 felonies and a misdemeanor wiped off of my record. So here's what we're going to do, because we need to get our district court certified records and we need to get our circuit court certified records. Number 1, for district court, all your misdemeanors, go to district court records office. When you speak with whoever comes to the window, tell them that you're here, you're going through this process of filing for an expungement, and you have however many misdemeanors you have. Let's say you have 2 or 3. Tell them you have 2 misdemeanors and you need your district court certified records for each of those. Then, if you have felonies, go up there to circuit court records, go in, speak with whoever it is, and tell them that you're in the process of filing an expungement and you'd like to retain your circuit court certified records. Now, you're going to need 4 copies of each of these, your district court records and also your circuit court records. Now, they're probably going to charge you probably $10, something like that, so kind of be prepared for that. It won't be for free, and then they'll print up the exact copies that you need in order to get all of your paperwork. Next thing we need to do is get our fingerprints. Go down to the sheriff's office, let them know that you're filing for an expungement and you need to get your fingerprints. They'll let you in, they'll take your fingerprints. Be prepared, it's going to be between $20 and $50 to retain that. The last thing we need to do is get a $50 money order. This is your processing fee. Get the money order or a check and make it out to Michigan State Police. And this is going to go in one of the packets. Now we're doing the set-aside conviction application. We're going to take the certified court records information and we're going to transfer it over to the set-aside conviction application. Let's start first with the case number and the judge. Put that right up in the top right-hand corner of the set-aside conviction application. Now we see the check for the state of Michigan. Let's check the application. Look over there. Let's put our information, your name, address, and telephone number. Next, let's fill in the information of the attorney that represented you when you were charged. So this is the attorney's information when you were convicted of the crime. Make sure that you put their name, address, telephone number, plus their bar number. If you don't know it, please contact the lawyer at that time and find out what their bar number is so that you can place it on this form. Now this is where we put the counts and the crimes that we were convicted of. So count 1, and then what did you plead? Guilty. And then the crime is whatever your crime is, place that under there too. We also want to put the charge code. That's the Michigan compiled law number. Second will be the date of conviction. What date were you actually convicted of the crime? And the case number. You'll see the case number at the top right-hand corner. Rewrite it again in this box. Make sure we go through 2, 3, and 4. Read everything thoroughly and completely. Make sure that you are satisfying every question that is being answered. If there's more crimes, please put those crimes in there, the date of conviction, your case number, whatever the disposition was, and make sure to put the charge code, which is your Michigan compiled law citation number. Do that for each of them right before you sign. Turn the page and then sign your name down at the bottom. Next, we're going to have to get the deputy clerk or the notary public to sign it. You could go to the UPS store or you can go to your bank, but it does need to be notarized before you turn it in. So follow along to the next video as we put these packets together.